it is important to understand the basic structure or fundamentals of drawing. Only then you can populate or create complex compositions. In design exam, this basic structure is more important and everything else is not necessary. Also, it is important to understand that shading is not an important part of design exam. So today in this video, we will discuss some basic elements related to design drawing. First, we will start with a brief on importance of right pencil strokes and how to achieve that. So start with working on your line quality first. We have observed that students create jittery lines and multiple lines to draw anything. This should be avoided. First, start with simple line drawing. Start with drawing lines on paper, and that too in all directions. Initially, you will not be able to draw straight lines, but it is okay. With time and practice, you will get hold of it. Now, I know that at times this process may look mundane and redundant to you, but believe me, this is the most basic structure for any drawing sketching part. With confident lines and basic shapes, you can construct complex shapes as well. Similarly, practice circles as well. Also keep in mind that you should use sharp pencil while creating your work. So try practicing as many shapes as possible so that a consistency is achieved. You can consider this as a warm-up session daily before you start any sketch or drawing part. Now, while drawing in perspective, we have observed that students are not able to construct consistent lines. So in this example of drawing a building, I have tried to show you in steps how you should go about it. That is, which lines should be drawn first to draw figures in perspective correctly. Next, I wanted to discuss one more important aspect related to design drawing. We have observed a common mistake that students are making in each drawing assignments, and that is related to perspective in terms of human figures. To understand the perspective of human figures, let's understand the perspective of cylinder first. See, again we are focusing on basics only. Observe how the view of the cylinder changes as the viewer eye position changes. Now the same analogy can be used to construct a human figure from different perspectives. For example, let's suppose that this is a composition of a railway track and we have to place human figures on the platform. Now notice that perspective of human figure will change as our view or angle of vision changes. And it can be understood from the perspective of the cylinder. So I hope this analogy will be helpful to you. We will come up with more videos on drawing and design part, as we have observed that students are facing a lot of problem in this section. Please remember that drawing sketching is a skill and can be acquired only through practice and patience. So keep practicing and focus on your basics only.